get closer. I can feel her eyes touch, fires in your iris on divine stuff, making mad pictures in confinement.
Hey guys, Ben here and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you the best Dragon Lore drops of 2016, since it's the new operations we now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. None of these clips are mine, and the links will be in the description to the people that got it. I found them all, and yeah, so hopefully you enjoy. Pretty funny.
The guy boxes. Wow.
Oh!
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 Oh yes!
Oh!
What?
Oh
What?
no!
What? What?
No! No! What the fuck is happening? Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god!
It is going to snow. Terrorists win.
What the fuck?
From France.
Damn! Oh my god, come on! I need 2 more kills. I did. Oh my god! What? Are you fucking me? What the fuck? Holy fucking god!
Nine!
What?
Me, mine! Oh, that's clicking! What? What?
Oh my god.
9.
Holy shit, I just saw you.